Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. February the 16th, 2026. KSE-100 cracked key support today as selling pressure pushed the index decisively below its 50-day exponential moving average, signaling a shift from pullback to trend break and putting bears firmly in control. Let's take a look at this chart. It's an interesting one today. All right, so this is where we are at for the day. A big red candle, 5149.80 point loss, minus 2.87% for the day. Now, importantly, it has finally broken through the 50-day exponential moving average. And this is the market narrative we were talking about over here. The down days with high volume when the index was breaking moving averages to the downside. And if you remember, we said that this week would provide the check if this level held or broke. And today, this level is broken. How decisive this is remains to be seen. And there are two very important things. Number one, take a look at this. Today's volume was once again below par, which means selling pressure without capitulation. So this is very interesting. Is it a panic moment for the market, or is this where just institutions leave the market and let the weak hands shuffle out before entering again? That is the big question. So far, momentum tells a very bearish story. RSI now 33.75, pretty close to oversold territory, in fact. MACD confirms that story again. A clean bearish regime, downside acceleration still dominant, to the point that ADX has now become 2713. Remember, ADX is only a proxy for trend strength. And now the downward trend has now become strong, above 20. So this is a big question mark. Whether or not this volume blip tells a story of an impending pullback, or this crossover shows a decisive change of character, break of structure, everything is now the moot question. So for today, our verdict is that this is so far definitely not market digestion. It is a confirmed downside break. With the price now below the 50-day exponential moving average, momentum still sliding, bias stays bearish until the index reclaims this 50-day exponential moving average and does it quickly with strong volume and starts building above the 10 and 20-day exponential moving averages. Until that happens, any bounce is tactically and likely corrective. Stay tuned.